Welcome to our tutorial on how to send multiple photos with text in a Messenger group chat on your PC. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Begin by opening messenger.com in your web browser to access Messenger on your PC. Step 2. Once you're on Messenger, navigate to any group chat where you wish to send multiple photos with text. Step 3. Look for the photo and video icon located at the bottom of the chat window, positioned next to the text box. If you don't see these options, simply tap the plus symbol next to the text box to reveal them. Step 4. Select the photos you want to share by clicking on them, then click Open to add them to your message. Step 5. Now, it's time to add a note or message to accompany the photos. Write your message, then click Send or press Enter to send the photos along with your text. By following these steps, you can easily share multiple photos with text in a Messenger group chat on your PC. Enhance your group conversations by combining visuals and text to make your messages more engaging and interactive. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your group members, and subscribe for more tech guides. Thank you for watching.